Okay, gonna do a quick review on Breezy Dryer sheets. Uh, Everybody bought these. I've never heard of them before. I think she got them at Family Dollar. I'm doing laundry right now. I got a bunch of laundry to do, and put them in about 3 loads of laundry so far. So, they're not too bad. They help cut back on the static clean. Got a nice little scent to them. You normally you get 50 sheets per box. Yeah, you get 5 extra free with this box. Got the Sunny Sky Fresh scent to it. Scent's pretty much, scent's pretty mild. Not really that strong with it. Softens, reduces static clean, freshens your laundry. But not too bad. Like I said, I've done 3 loads of laundry. I've done 3 loads of laundry so far. I barely even got started. Good bunch of laundry to get caught up here. Yeah. What is that? They're not too bad. Like I said, they cut back on static clean and leave a nice little scent to laundry. That's something I'll just try it out for the first time. I've never heard of them. I've never heard of this brand. I think my roommate bought these. I think she got them at Family Dollar. But this is the Breezy Dryer sheets. Normally get 50 per box, and you get 5 for free in this box.